Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are planning a holiday with your family this summer, travel insurance is an obvious thing that you will have put on your list of things to sort out. But if you're traveling with children, here are 5 extra things that you may need to consider. Number 1 is, what cover do you already have? Broadly speaking, when it comes to travel insurance, people fall into one of 2 camps. Either you already have travel insurance as part of some package with your bank account or something like that, and you don't ever need to worry about it. Or you take out a fresh travel insurance policy every time you go somewhere. Now, if you fall into this camp, you're going to need to either make sure your kids are included on your policy or take out separate policies for each individual child, including babies. If you come into this camp over here, where normally you don't think about it, you're like, yeah, travel insurance is done, man, it's sorted. Check. Make sure that the cover does actually include your children. Point number 2 is to make sure you've thought about any pre-existing medical conditions. This again is particularly if you're relying on cover that is automatically included. But if there's any sort of pre-existing medical condition or anything that you could be tripped up by later that you haven't disclosed, make sure that all of that is dealt with, all of your I's are dotted and all of your T's are crossed. Point number 3. When you got kids, you got a lot of stuff. And some of that stuff is big and some of it is expensive. So it can be worth adding certain items onto your travel insurance policy, things like buggies, things like electronics, if you take iPads and that kind of thing for your kids, travel cots, all those kind of things where you would just take it and not think about it. But if they get lost, if they get damaged and they're not covered under your policy, you're going to be pretty annoyed. Number 4. Are you going to be doing anything particularly adventurous on this holiday? If you are going skiing or something like that, then you need a particular kind of insurance cover. Normal travel insurance will not cut it if you're going skiing. But even if you're planning on being just a little bit adventurous on holiday and you're thinking, well, yeah, we may go to this particular place and you can do abseiling or you can do kayaking or you can, wrestle bears, I don't know. Check the conditions of your travel insurance and check whether you need to buy any add-ons to cover your adventurous nature. Point number 5 is there a cheaper way? Whether you have got automatic cover or whether you've booked individual policies, it is worth 5 or 10 minutes to go online, go to one of the comparison websites and check out whether a family policy would be cheaper for you. If you are traveling, multiple families traveling together, there is an option to get a group policy which kind of covers you all in one big go. So it's worth looking at alternative options if budget is a particular consideration. And that's it. Those are my 5 main points to consider when you're booking travel insurance for a holiday with children. If you are traveling in Europe, don't forget to get yourself a European health insurance card. Again, you will need one of those for every member of the party, not just the adults. And I've made a whole separate video about it, which you'll be thrilled to watch, and I'll link above and below in all those places. Hope you have a lovely holiday. If you enjoyed this video, please press like, please subscribe to see more, and I will see you very soon. Bye.